Hey, what's up guys? Joe Drake here with the Axiom Fitness Academy and your move of the week, and today we are upgrading your push-up game, right? So many variations of push-ups out there, but we're gonna go through the triangle push-up, one that if push-ups have become not really that challenging for you, or you're looking to make it a true strength exercise rather than endurance, then a great one to do. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna overload certain parts of our body in the motion. So start with the nice wide base of our feet, and just think thumbs right outside the shoulders. We're not gonna get too picky on that hand position right now. But what we're gonna do is try to bring our chest down to one hand. I'm gonna shift my body over across to the opposite and then back up. So every time I'm really emphasizing one side and overloading that arm a lot more. All right, I love it too because it also encourages good shoulder flexibility, getting in these different positions. But just throw it in, whether you throw it in by itself, start with like 5 each way, see how it goes, or you can throw it in after a traditional strength exercise if you're looking to overload with a little bit of body weight. But move of the week, triangle push-up, get after it.